way forward quickly. Acknowledging IBS. Okay, so people that we meet will, there are a lot of people who are very encouraging, but at the same time there's a lot of skeptics saying that first of all, hey, it's going to be expensive, so I can't make enough profit, I can't sell my house, people going to buy it. Yeah, if you're comparing IBS with conventional, okay, it's just like saying someone wants to drive from point A to point B, you can decide to buy a BMW or Saga, but if you can pay for BMW, why not, right? So the issue here is, again, when you see acknowledging IBS, there is also the business part to think about, but again, there's also the part whereby we have to bring ourselves outside the current image of the construction industry. Right? So when we want to do that, then we have to say, look, okay, yeah, you have to buy a few bullets, and let's see where we can go with them. When you have a comprehensive, what you call it, participation from the industry, then you see things start to change and things become more competitive. So again, looking beyond the short-term gains, right? So I think this has to somewhat be addressed accordingly. A lot of players in this industry are looking for short-term gains. Okay, so we have to ask ourselves, okay, there's always a business part of it, but at the same time, are we going to try to get ourselves outside that and improve? Okay, knowledge of building systems. Okay, is that enough at the moment? We've been doing the way we've been doing conventional for the past 15-30 years, or longer than that. So to get yourself to change into something new, that will be something which we have to undertake. Okay? Adopting best practices. Again, learn from those industries which are already successful. Okay, at the moment, hands down to manufacturing industry. Okay, they have proven themselves time and time again. Every time there's an economic report, it's always the manufacturing industry at the top. So they must be doing something right. Okay, I'm not saying that we have to change drastically. No, but let's take a look at whatever they're doing and see where we can adopt accordingly. So we're talking about integrated processes, design for manufacturing, assembly, and so on and so forth. Of course, when you say integrated processes, again, the experience that we had with this building is that we involved everybody from day one until the end. So the architects, the engineers and whatnot were involved in the design stage, and even the contractors. Okay, because they are doing the assembly. At the end of the day, they say, hey, I can't assemble what you design, then we'll be in trouble. Okay, so again, processes have to be integrated and not to be what you call that, be like silos as it is now. Okay? Innovate. Mr. SS Kim proved that to us just now. So, these products actually cover the household and the industry in one shot. And so, I don't see how we can be any different. And we've seen earlier this talks today that what you call, am I taking too much of your time? Okay, talks earlier today, there are a lot of syntheses. You're talking about political, what we call changes and whatnot. So we have to be ready. If you don't innovate, if you don't be different today, then you go tomorrow. You have to be thinking that somebody else is going to do better than you. Okay. Awareness, knowledge sharing is what we do today. I hope this will not be the end of it. We are thinking of actually collaborating with partner design. We have what they need. Because it's not fair, it's half an hour and it's not much we can gain. So you're going to charge us for that one?
Of course.
Okay, incidentally, we're just across, not even across the road, we're just next door. I just make use of this platform because it's free of charge and I don't have to invest so much. But again, I hope we got the knowledge across. Free lunch, yeah? Okay. I got a free book. Okay. Okay, maybe to revise incentives as well. The way for the construction levy, I don't know whether that's interesting or not. So, and again, we met with people in Saudi, the government and whatnot. We always say that, look, Saudi doesn't give us this or that and things like that. We've always been asking what the government wants, and it's always been that, and we always look at the directions from there. But I can tell you frankly that what they are, when we didn't talk to us, they said no, IBS it will be industry driven. So like it or not, it's up to us. Okay, and that's also the way what the West is. The experience from Europe at the moment, it's a private lead driven. It's driven by the industry and it's successful now. There's one initiative called Manual. I'm not sure you've heard of it, but you can go to their website and check it out. It's more or less like what we want to do here. Okay, so what we're saying is that we're not a perfecter, we're not a developer, and we're not really promoting IBS. IBS is more than materials, it's more than precast, concrete slabs and whatnot. It's a system, it's a process, it's a way of managing. It involves not only the construction industry, being in UEM group, we have your manufacturing, your Pharmaniaga, your Fabers and builders and plants and whatnot. Let's work together. Let's see where you can come into the picture and actually move forward with that. Okay. So the example is this building. If you like it, let's talk. Okay. If you don't like it, go and see.